Hi, welcome back to Science 1206, the Chemical Reactions Unit. I'm Miss Ledwell, and in this lesson we'll talk about acids and bases. Let's begin. In this unit, we've already explored how to categorize chemical compounds based on their type of bond, ionic or molecular. Another way chemical compounds can be classified is as being acids or bases. Acids and bases are all around us in our daily lives. The tangy taste of citrus fruits, such as grapefruit, comes from their acidic nature, while our stomach utilizes hydrochloric acid to help digest food. Meanwhile, we regularly use numerous household items and personal care products, like bleach, laundry detergents, and some types of toothpaste, which owe their effectiveness to their basic properties. So what exactly are acids? Acids are substances that release hydrogen ions, H+, when dissolved in water. Because it is dissolved in water and an aqueous solution, the formula of an acid must be followed by the aqueous subscript, which is an AQ in brackets. Acids are also defined as solutions with a pH of less than 7. We will discuss the term pH later in this video. Some examples of acids include stomach acid, lemon juice, and tomato juice. Most common acids and bases form colorless solutions in water. However, there are other ways to tell them apart. Acids possess distinct chemical and physical properties that are useful in identifying them. These properties include a sour taste. Note, this applies to food containing acids you may encounter in everyday life, such as vinegar and lemon juice. Never use taste to determine if a solution is acidic. Acids are corrosive with many substances, in particular with metals, and many acids will burn skin. Acids conduct electricity, and they turn blue litmus paper red. Pause here and watch a short video clip identifying acids in Brightspace. Then resume this instructional video and we'll talk about bases. What are bases? Bases are substances that release hydroxide ions, OH-, when dissolved in water. Bases can also be defined as solutions with a pH greater than 7. We will talk more about pH later in this lesson. Common examples of bases include soap, bleach, drain cleaner, and baking soda. Bases also possess distinct chemical and physical properties that are useful in identifying them. These properties include a bitter taste. Note, this applies to food containing bases you may encounter in everyday life, such as baking soda. Never use taste to determine if a solution is basic. Bases feel slippery, and again, never touch bases feel slippery like soap. Again, it's important never to touch an identified substance in the lab to determine what it is. This ties into the next point, which is many bases will burn your skin, and bases are corrosive. Most bases, however, do not react with metals like acids do. Bases conduct electricity, and they turn red litmus paper blue. Next, please watch the short video clip identifying bases found in Brightspace. Once you've watched that video clip, you can continue on to the next instructional video. But before you do, make sure to recharge with a quick 30-second stretch.